19th question is, in what direction does the buoyant force on an object immersed in a liquid act? That means they are asking us that in which direction the buoyant force will act. For example, this is a container, liquid has been filled into that. This is an object which we have immersed into the liquid. So buoyant force will act towards upward. It is towards upward. So buoyant force direction is towards upward. So buoyant force will act in upward direction on object. 20th question. Why does a block of plastic released underwater come up to the surface of the water? So we are just dipping it inside, but it will bounce back and coming to the surface of the water. So when we are releasing a plastic block underwater, two forces will act upon it. First, that is gravitational pull, which pulling it downward, and second, the upthrust force of the liquid, which pushes it upward. Now here the density of this block is lesser than that of the water. So upthrust force or the buoyant force which is acting upward will be higher and will be more compared to the gravitational force acting on the block. So as a result, the block will come to the surface and it will not remain immersed, or it will not sink into the water, but it will come to the surface, because here the buoyant force act on the block will be more compared to the gravitational force. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.